Let's face it, cleaning filters sucks and can be a real pain in the back. Isn't there an easier way? Well, earlier this year, I came across an ad online about the Cyclone Filter Cleaner. Now, this cleaner uses centrifugal force to launch the dirtiness right out of your filter. And since I love shiny new objects and spinny things, I decided to try it out. It comes with a few different attachments for different sized filters, a stand for the filter, and a long spray nozzle. Now my clip on the stand broke pretty quick, but this isn't great, but it's not really affecting anything, so I'm gonna let it slide. Now I was gonna do a whole pros and cons review, but let's scrap that and just answer the main questions that you probably have about this thing. Number one, is it faster? Well, probably. For me personally, it's not that much faster, but that's just because I was already super fast with the aqua comb I used to use. And if you're not someone who's cleaned a gazillion filters in your life though, I think this will indeed be faster than what you're using right now. Alright, number two, is it more effective? Overall, I would say yes. However, if you have a really dirty filter, it doesn't always get that deep penetration needed to get in between the pleats. This is a big plus for the aqua comb because it has those long fingers that literally scrape the gunk out of the cracks. But I think the filter, or the Cyclone Filter Cleaner, redeems itself with the power of the jet. Of all the places I use this, and some of them don't really have the best water pressure coming out of the hose, but I never really had a problem. The pressure has been pretty good everywhere. Alright, number three, is it better for your back? Yes. I used to have to sit down on a bucket to make it a little better on the back, but with this you can stand up straight. The spray nozzle is nice and long, so you can stand back a bit, especially when you're getting sprayed. I'm 6'3", so I do still have to bend over slightly, but I think others who aren't as tall should be fine with this without much bending over whatsoever. Alright, and is it more fun? Well, cleaning filters is never really fun, but it definitely sucks less with the Cyclone. It is kind of fun to see how fast you can get that thing spinning. Just be certain that you're on somewhat level ground, like a driveway or a patio. If you're on an uneven yard, things can get a little squirrely. So if you're wondering about the price, they have them on their website now for $240. The one I purchased was $296 because it came with the Pro bag. I'm not really sure if it's worth the extra $56 just for the bag. However, it is helpful to keep everything contained and together. And if you are a pool service company, they have bundles where you can buy multiple units at a better price, of course. So overall, I'm going to give the Cyclone Filter Cleaner 2 thumbs up, and I think even if you're not a pool professional, this is still well worth it for regular pool owners. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.